Hello, today we will guide you through how to integrate Slack with Microsoft Teams. In this walkthrough, we'll connect Slack to the Microsoft Teams Calls app so you can start a Teams call right from Slack. We'll move at a steady pace, and I'll share helpful tips to keep everything clear. Begin by opening Slack on your desktop or in a browser and make sure you're in the correct workspace. From the left sidebar, look for the section with your navigation options and find Tools. Clicking Tools expands shortcuts that help you discover and manage integrations. If you don't see it immediately, scroll the sidebar or expand collapsed sections. Layouts can vary by workspace and theme. Next, select Apps. This opens Slack's app directory inside your workspace, where you can browse or search for trusted integrations. At the top, click into the search bar and type Microsoft Teams. The search isn't case sensitive, so Microsoft Teams, or just Teams, will surface the same result. From the suggestions, look for Microsoft Teams Calls, the official app that lets you initiate or join Teams calls directly from Slack conversations. Click Microsoft Teams Calls to open its app page. Here, you can review what the app does, see screenshots, and read the permissions it needs. This integration focuses on calling. Your messages and channels stay in Slack, while calls route through Microsoft Teams. When you're ready, click Add to Slack. Depending on your organization's policies, Slack may check your permissions or send an approval request to your workspace admin. That's normal, and once approved, the app will install automatically. If a browser tab opens during installation, keep it open until you see confirmation that the app has been added to your workspace. After installation, you'll notice new call options in Slack, such as buttons and message composers or channel headers that reference Microsoft Teams. These shortcuts let you launch or join a Teams call without leaving Slack, which is especially handy during fast-moving discussions. A few tips to ensure a smooth experience. Make sure you're signed into the correct Microsoft account in your browser, particularly if your organization uses multiple tenants. If your company requires multi-factor authentication, have your verification method ready so your first call isn't delayed. For reliability, keep both Slack and Microsoft Teams updated to the latest versions, and consider pinning apps in the Slack sidebar for easy access later. That's it. You open Slack, went to Tools, selected Apps, searched for Microsoft Teams, chose Microsoft Teams Calls, and clicked Add to Slack. With this integration in place, your team can jump into Teams calls straight from Slack and stay focused on the work that matters.